Ni mambura ma kuhumba thumbi maabitha anene a Mbiraru na maabitha a honge itiganite maria matongoririo ni President William Ruto thukuru-ini wa National Defence College mwena wa Karen. Akiaria hindi ya mambura maya, Ruto augite thukuru uyu ni ukurite na gikiro kinene, akiuga kuhitukira National Defence University ni amukirite ripoti yo thuthuria egioria aicia mahiu mekuhitanwo nao kaimana.
Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces.
Oho, Ruto ni ahithuritie ati Ministry no ya ugitiri wa bururi unyitaniri na thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika ni megwaka thukuru ungi wa guthomithania kothi itiganite iria irabatarania mathomo-ini megie ugitiri. Guku akiuria maabitha ya mahumbitwo thumbi guthingatithia wuigiririki wira-ini uria meguthukirwo.
I am delighted to announce that the Ministry of Defence, in collaboration with the United States government, is building a new tuition facility for the college in response to the growing demand of National Defence College's esteemed courses. And I want, in a very special way, to thank the government of the United States for this facility. It is crucial that the National Defence College maintains the capacity to meet the educational needs of our future leaders in different sectors.
Maabitha ya 88 na aria mahumbirwo thumbi cia gikiro kia masters degree na diploma ni angathi cia iguru a Mbiraru a guku bururi-ini, maabitha a honge itiganite cia thirikari, maabitha a ministry itiganite, oro undu umwe na maabitha a ngathi cia iguru a Mbiraru a kuma mabururi mangi ma gitaru kia Africa na Asia.
NDC is bestowed with the mission to prepare selected senior military officers and government officers of the Republic of Kenya and their counterparts from allied countries for higher responsibilities in the direction and management of security and other related areas of public policy.
Face uncertainty with courage, confront adversity with resilience, and seize opportunities with unwavering commitment. Work and lead with integrity. Inspire with your actions.
Agiaria megwikinyetie mambura-ini maya ni Minister wa ugitiri wa bururi Eden Duale, maabitha a ngathi cia iguru a Mbiraru na maabitha angi a thirikari.
I am gratified to see the increasing number of female officers among participants each year. This commitment to gender inclusivity reflects the Ministry of Defence dedication to fostering diverse and capable leadership. And I am very proud that the Commandant of our Air Force is a woman.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Muiruri.